Good morning here, it's Laurence here from Farthings in Cambridge and Trumpington. We've got today a lovely sheepskin that has been sent to us. The customers tried to clean it, and you can see now, you can see the whole mark there. So there was a spot and he tried to clean it. Unfortunately now there's nothing we can do because the skin is hard and is distorted. So the cleaning is not going to remove this big mark. So if you've got any sheepskin that needs attention, please, get specialist people to do it, because otherwise you would ruin it. So now there's nothing we can do, and unfortunately that's the way the sheepskin is gonna stay. So yes, if you need any help, you know where we are. Have a lovely day. Thank you very much. Bye.